Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexis. I make videos all about planning and organization in the hope of inspiring you to plan a life where pretty meets productive. Today we're going to be talking about the Zig Clean Color dot markers. I picked these up over on Amazon and this is just one of them. If you haven't seen the Zig Clean Color dot marker, it's a dual tipped marker with a dot nib on one end, and depending on the pressure you apply to this pen, you can get varying size dots, which is great for filling out your habit tracker, filling out your spreads, making checklists or banners, or even doing like a fun confetti effect in your planner. And then this end has a 0.5 millimeter bullet nib. And this is perfect if you like to do lettering in your planner, if you're making small illustrations, or even if you wanted to write with it in cursive or print. I think it's a nice fine tip, but depending on the pressure, you can get varying thickness. I've seen people hand letter with this tip as well, so it might be something you want to try. I just don't know how well it would hold up. But yeah, this is the dot, or the bullet nib. And what initially sparked this was I wasn't going to get the Zig Clean Color markers. However, I have been loving the week on 2 pages spread from Salty 22, and I've been making little checklists in some of the days, and they're just not perfect using the Tombow. So I wanted to give it a try. I love my stencils for adding little like embellishments and faux stickers, but as you can see here in my sidebar, I like to track my Russian lessons and also when I work out. And just filling it in with the stencil, it's like a 3-step process because you have to use the stencil, outline it, then I go back in with the Tombow that I'm using for the week and we'll go ahead and fill it out. And sometimes the spacing isn't perfect. So I thought this Zig Clean Color dot marker would be more convenient to adding the little dots, and I'm happy to report that it is. Initially, I just wanted this gray marker, which I know they sell individually on Jet Pens and Tokyo Pen Shop and Dick Blick art supply store as well. However, I didn't feel like paying shipping for just one marker, so I ordered off of Amazon and was able to get 18 colors. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the packs that I picked up. I got this 6-pack set of jewel tone markers. Comes with a red, a pink, a green, a blue, a violet, and a black. I'm not sure how I'm gonna use the black one just because it's pretty dark, and normally when I like to make checklists in my planner, I like to check them off, and it'll be a little hard with the black unless you use like a white pen. But yeah, a really great set of jewel tones. I think if you like using different colors from week to week, it would be great to get a set of 6 colors at least so that you can kind of alternate which colors you're using. And then I also picked up this 12-pack set of markers. And this just comes with some pinks and reds, a couple blues, and then a couple yellows, greens, and 1 purple. It's a really nice set. The colors are pretty vibrant. And then Amazon also has a set of 6 metallic colors, a set of 4 primary colors, and then there is a mild set, but I couldn't find it in stock when I went to look on Amazon. But if I do find it, I'm hoping to share that with you guys soon. So yeah, really great versatility in using these markers, and I think they are a fun way to add a little bit of embellishment to your pages and also make the process of making checklists or filling out your habit trackers a little less multi-step in a way, because you can just go with one marker. So like for instance, things in my monthly, I like to denote with a little bit of a dot, if you can see, and I do that with a stencil and then I go in with a gray Tombow, but just having this will be really great. The one thing I will say about this marker is due to the fact that depending on the pressure you can get a different size dot, it is a little bit hard to kind of control it, and so that's something that worries me about like just not having uniformity on my spread. But so far it's been working out great. As you can see from my weekly pages, I've been going in and adding the little dot the little dot to my checklist, and so it's been great. And they're pretty even. It's I've been applying about the same amount of pressure, and I love these inserts. They are on 4 pages from Rosie's Paperie. I'll link them down below, but they gave me the vibe of the Cloth and Paper Daily inserts just based on the layout and the fact that it's vertical, and I love it. And I didn't use any stencils this week, so I'm really proud of myself, just trying to diversify what I was using. And it's really simple to just use this one marker in your spread and maybe like a fine nibbed pen, especially if you're in pocket size. I am thinking about doing a plan with me using the Zig Clean Color dot markers, so let me know if you'd be interested in that. But like I was saying, these would be great again for filling in things like your habit tracker, or maybe like a menstruation log, or things like that. As you can see here, I've been really bad at filling out my mood tracker for the year. I'm hoping to update it just based on some logs that I have on my phone as well. And then this is my pain tracker, which I also have been really bad at, but you could even fill in these boxes with the dot marker, depending on the varying sizes of pressure. And then this is my exercise log, which I also haven't updated, but I think it'd be really easy to just go in with the Zig Clean Color dot in gray and just fill this out. So if you have seen my video on the Peanuts Planner Co. yearly logs, I think you would love these markers just in filling this out. Yeah, they're gonna probably replace my stencils, and they have a lot of colors that match the Tombow. So yeah, I would definitely pick these up if this is something you think you would be interested in. I know a lot of planners on Instagram and on YouTube have started using these in their spreads, so there are plenty of ideas out there. And even if you don't want to use them for checklist or doodling, you could use them as banners, as a highlighter. I've even seen somebody use this end as a highlighter, and this end you could call attention to things in your spreads. Sometimes I like to make little lines in my spread, or do like a hand lettering effect, or make like a line for a quote. I just think these are really great. Yeah, you could even do like a little quote box, and you know, just call attention to things with the marker, fill in your stencils with the other tip. So I think these are a great addition to anyone's pen case. And yeah, let's get into swatching the marker. So this is the swatch of the Kuretake Zig markers. As you can see, they're really, really vibrant, which I love, and really super pigmented. And I tried to apply a bit of even pressure across all 3 of the dots that I tried out. And yeah, they're pretty consistent, which is great when you're filling out your spreads. I think these would be great additions to anyone's pen case, like I said. And I'm hoping you liked this video. If you'd like me to do a plan with me in the rosy papery inserts, please let me know. I would love to get that up for you guys. If there's a particular color you want me to try that isn't gray, let me know too. And like this video, and as always, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.